Okay, let's have some of this beef and vegetable soup. You can see that says it's from August of 23 on there. Let's put this right here. And you can see my beef soup has chunks of roast in it. Now I have my skillet hot with some bacon grease in the bottom of it. I'm going to put some salt on the bottom of it. And then, see if I can do this one-handed. I am going to pour in some cornbread batter. And you can see how that's already beginning to fry around the edges. That's plenty. And then we're going to put that in the oven and be back. Okay, so you can see that the cornbread is done. And I'm going to flip it out on the plate. And then I'll show you what our meal is going to look like. As you can see, it is steaming hot. And there it is. 2 big bowls of soup with cornbread in the bottom.